Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Khatsan ngut ki Samla Pule jong gisnat Pule bo prepare ka Skulbah Northeastern Hill University gin sa yotlat ban lek Mihkhmat Yakari India Shari Japan ban shimanta ha jinyalang ka ba prasngi kinti bat kinong hikai jong ki Skulbah jong ka gari nagabanta ban Sam bat ban lum ya ki jingtep bo prepare hapdeng gari India bat gari Japan. Ya kani ka kanhon ba khatsan ngut ki Samla Pule la jiet da ka Skulbah Nehu mar arngut na kawai ka jela jong ka than chete lammingi jong kari India ban yo le yo kjat Shari Japan kadai ka jingkhot ngobha na usem jong kari Japan usem Akihito kumshibenta banonra ya ka jingye dai ka ba khamjan shushu hapdeng ka India bat ka Japan lengba ka Act East policy.
The Ambassador of Japan, Hiramasu, I think His Excellency Hiramasu, he in fact actually find out a synergy. This iris is a flower, and that flower is there in Japan, and that flower is also seen in the Northeast. So that synergy, so it's on the context of that the program was named as IRIS program. And under that program, the objective is to send the young people, the youth, the students, the youth of this part of the country to Japan and get that kind of exposure and help them out subsequently, as I said, in cementing, in improving upon the Indo-Japanese relationship, particularly the northeast of India and Japan relationship. So it is against this kind of a background and discussions and follow-ups that today we have come to this stage that 16 of our students are going to Japan under this program. And it's a matter of pride for my university that we could make it. One condition the embassy attached there itself is that they would take 16 students from our university, but I think from each of the northeastern states there should be 2 students from each of the northeastern states to make it really reflective of the northeast. And we, in fact, actually gone by that kind of a condition. We have selected 2 students from each of the northeastern states, so that altogether we have 16, but they represent all the 8 northeastern states. So that's the big background, and today here we are assembled to give a formal send-off to these young and then talented students. And let me also tell you that all these 16 students who were selected, they were toppers of their own batch. I would say their own subjects.
It is a slice of heaven on earth. You know, a country, there's a huge difference between hearing and seeing with our own eyes. We have heard a lot about Japan, but seeing was something which is totally different. And Japan is a country which is really known for its honesty, its sense of responsibility, and things like that. And then when we were here, we came to realize and we came to see that a country is advanced, not just because it is affluent in economy or things like that, but it is advanced because it is advanced in terms of culture, in terms of response, mentality, economy, and everything that goes together. It's an integrated thing, I should say. They are advanced because they are advanced mentally, socially, culturally, economically. It's like that. And the values they uphold, in terms of honesty, I would say, and a sense of responsibility the people have. There's so much we could learn. And in terms of science and technology, this is something very huge. And the environment, the sanitation, it's too huge to mention in words. And I would say that after going there, our perception, just as I said, before we went there, we have heard it, but we haven't seen it. But after seeing that, our perception has changed. Our perception has broadened up. Our world has broadened up. I would say that. Of course, this program was conducted hoping that we will be able to do something even at our own local level. So we have tried our best to disseminate the information, the knowledge that we have gained at our own level like speaking to the students wherever we are given the platform, or sharing the information in the social networking site like Facebook and things like that. So we have tried our best to disseminate the knowledge that we have gained, because at a personal level and wherever it is possible, we want to create an awareness so that change for the better would come to our region and to our nation at large.